Hello, welcome to another new session of Shilogna's Bioblog.
Bacterial nuclear body. Bacterial cell lacks true nuclei. Instead, they contain one or more than one nuclear body per cell. That's why that is known as nucleoid rather than nucleus. The bacterial genome is confined to this nucleoid, which is more or less compact structure without any membrane. These constituents of the membrane-free nucleoid are 60% DNA, 30% RNA and almost 10% protein. DNA forms 2 to 3% of the dry weight of a bacterial cell. Bacterial chromosome. Bacterial chromosome is a double-stranded circular DNA. In general, bacterial DNA ranges from 1100 pm to 1400 micrometer in length. An E. coli cell contains 4.2 into 10 to the power 6 kilobase pair DNA, which is about 1.3 millimeter, that means 1300 micrometer in length. The bacterial chromosome is folded into loops or domains which are about 100 in number. Actually, bacterial chromosome is very much coiled. That's why the original size of the bacterial DNA is much more than the size of the bacteria. As it is very much coiled or super coiled, that's why the total DNA is accommodated into the bacterial cell. And at the side, you can see the diagram of the total bacterial in an E. coli. It is the totally uncoiled strand here, but in the next picture you can see that it is coiled, and histone proteins or some other DNA binding proteins helps in the coiling of this bacterial chromosome, and in the supercoiled state the total bacterial chromosome can be accommodated in the bacterial. Bacteria contain some endonuclease, and these endonuclease cut the DNA from any point in the middle point of the DNA strand. If an endonuclease puts a nick means a small cut in DNA strand of one domain, this loop becomes larger due to uncoiling. The supercoiled structure gets denatured, or it is uncoiled due to the action of endonuclease. But the other domains are not affected. Each domain contains about 40 kilobase pair of DNA. The loops are bound by some mechanism that may involve proteins or RNA, but the mechanism is not clearly understood. Suppose here is a nick, so only this loop will be uncoiled. The other loops will be unaffected. Chromosomal protein. In bacterial cell, many kinds of chromosomal protein are present, and it is suspected that these are involved in nuclear condensation and nuclear supercoiling also. In E. coli, the DNA molecule is 1300 micrometer long when fully stretched. It contains about 47 million base pairs which encode almost 4000 genes. This long DNA molecule is packed into a cell which is very small compared to the length of the DNA. A typical E. coli cell measures about 1 micrometer in diameter and 3 micrometer in length. For this purpose, the molecule has to be highly folded and supercoiled. Supercoiling helps the bacterial chromosome to fit into the small bacterial cell.
E. coli nucleoid has 45 loops which radiate from a central protein core. The supercoiled state of the loops of DNA can be removed by treatment with DNase, which causes a single-stranded break or nick. A single nick results in the uncoiling of a single loop without affecting the supercoiling of other loops. This is a circular bacterial DNA. To fit the DNA into the bacterial cell, the chromosome must be compacted about 1000-fold. The segments of DNA fold like a loop-like structure. The folding of DNA compact DNA about 10 folds. Further compaction is accomplished by a process known as supercoiling. DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 1 helps in the supercoiling procedure. This coiled structure further compacts the DNA into much more supercoiled form, and then this supercoiled DNA can be accomplished or can fit into the bacterial cell. Some fundamental statements about the nucleoid and chromosome. The genome is the sum of an organism's total genetic material. Bacteria contain a single chromosome of double-stranded DNA. The region of the bacterial cytoplasm where the chromosome is located and can be visible by electron microscope is known as nucleoid. The bacterial chromosome is typically a physical and genetic circle, becomes supercoiled, and is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. There is no nuclear membrane in bacterial nucleus or bacterial chromosome. Bacteria do not carry out mitosis or meiosis. DNA topoisomerase enzymes are used to supercoil and relax the bacterial chromosome during DNA replication and transcription. I have already discussed it. Like eukaryotic DNA, prokaryotic DNA replicates by sequential unwinding of the two DNA parent strands and the subsequent complementary base pairing of DNA molecules with each parent strand. During DNA replication, the nitrogenous base adenine forms hydrogen bond with thymine and guanine forms hydrogen bond with cytosine. Genes located along the DNA are transcribed into RNA molecule, primarily messenger RNA or mRNA, transfer RNA or tRNA, and ribosomal RNA or rRNA. During transcription, RNA is synthesized by complementary base pairing of ribonucleotides. This is all about bacterial chromosome. Bacterial chromosome সাধারণত হাইলি সুপারকয়েলড ফর্মে থাকে, কারণ ব্যাকটেরিয়ার সেলের সাইজের চেয়ে এই ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোম কিন্তু অনেক গুণ লম্বা হয়। যদি সুপার কয়েলড অবস্থায় না থাকে, অর্থাৎ এই হাইলি কয়েলড ফর্মেশনে যদি না থাকে, তাহলে কিন্তু অত ছোট ব্যাকটেরিয়ার মধ্যে তার থেকে কয়েকশো গুণ বড় সাইজের ডিএনএ অ্যাকোমোডেটেড হতে পারতো না, থাকতে পারতো না। সেই জন্যই ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ডিএনএ বা ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোম কিন্তু হাইলি সুপার কয়েল কন্ডিশনে থাকে। এই সুপার কয়েলিংয়ে হেল্প করে টোপোআইসোমারেজ 1 অ্যান্ড ডিএনএ জাইরেজ, এই দুটো এনজাইম। যদি ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ডিএনএর মধ্যে কোথাও কোনো কাট বা নিক ক্রিয়েট হয়, যেটা কিনা তৈরি হয় কোনো এন্ডোনিউক্লিয়াস দিয়ে, তাহলে কিন্তু ডিএনএর এই হাইলি সুপারকয়েলড ফর্মেশনটা খুলে যায়, অর্থাৎ ডিএনএর আনওয়াইন্ডিং হয়। অর্থাৎ ডিএনএর যে সুপারকয়েলড কনফর্মেশনটা, সেটা তখন স্ট্র্যান্ড দুটো সেপারেট হয়ে যায় এবং তখন আমাদের এই সুপারকয়েলড ফর্মেশনটা সেটা আনওয়াইন্ডিং হয়ে যায়। আর বেশ কিছু এনজাইম এখানে হেল্প করে। ডিএনএর ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোমের মধ্যে বা ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ডিএনএর সঙ্গে কিছু ডিএনএ বাইন্ডিং প্রোটিন থাকে, যেমন হিস্টোন প্রোটিন এবং আরও যা যা প্রোটিনের কথা আমি বললাম, সেগুলো সবগুলোই কিন্তু থাকে। সো দিজ আর অল অ্যাবাউট ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোম। আমি এর সঙ্গে কিছু এমসিকিউ আলোচনা করে দিচ্ছি ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোমের সম্পর্কে। হিয়ার আর সাম এমসিকিউজ ফ্রম ব্যাকটেরিয়াল ক্রোমোসোম। Question number 1. Chromosome of bacteria is visible by option A light microscope, option B compound microscope, option C electron microscope, option D phase contrast microscope. The right answer is option C electron microscope. Question number 2. The enzyme which is responsible to supercoil bacterial chromosome is option A topoisomerase, option B helicase, option C transferase, option D ligase. The right answer is option A topoisomerase. Question number 3. Adenine binds with option A cytosine, option B thymine, option C uracil, option D guanine. The right answer is option B thymine. Question number 4. Guanine binds to cytosine by option A hydrogen bonding, option B hydrophobic interaction, option C disulfide bond, option D none of the above. The right answer is option A hydrogen bonding. Question number 5. RNA is formed from option A enzyme, option B protein, option C hormone, option D DNA. The right answer is DNA. RNA is formed from DNA. Question number 6. The process of formation of RNA from DNA is known as option A transcription, option B replication, option C translation, and option D transformation. The right answer is option A transcription. From DNA to RNA, the process is known as transcription. When DNA is made from mother DNA, when daughter DNA strand is made up from mother DNA, that is known as replication. But when protein is formed from RNA, that is known as translation. Question number 7. Which type of RNA is present in bacteria? Option A mRNA, option B tRNA, option C rRNA, and option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. That means mRNA, messenger RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, rRNA, ribosomal RNA, all are present in bacteria. So all of the above is the correct answer. Question number 8. Lack of HU in bacteria results in option A decondensed nucleoid, option B supercoiling, option C all of the above, and option D none of these. The right answer is decondensed nucleoid. HU helps in the condensation of the bacterial nucleoid. Question number 9. E. coli nucleoid has dash loops in the chromosome 4, 45, 450, 10,000. The right answer is 45 loops. Question number 10. The average size of bacterial cell is option A 10 micrometer into 100 micrometer, 5 micrometer into 50 micrometer, 1 micrometer into 3 micrometer, and the last option D 100 micrometer into 100 micrometer. The right answer is option C 1 micrometer into 3 micrometer. In all the cases, the first digit is for the diameter and the second one is for the length. So for average bacterial size is 1 micrometer into 3 micrometer. Question number 11. Chromosome is located at bacterial. Option A cytoplasm, option B ribosome, option C endoplasmic reticulum, ER, option D nucleoid. Right answer is option D nucleoid. Chromosome is present in nucleoid. Question number 12. Bacterial chromosome lacks option A DNA, option B RNA, option C protein, option D nuclear membrane. The right answer is option D nuclear membrane. Bacterial chromosome does not have any nuclear membrane. That's why it is known as nucleoid rather than nucleus, because bacterial nucleoid is not a true nucleus. Nuclear membrane is not present in bacterial chromosome. Question number 13. Bacterial chromosome is option A supercoiled, option B uncoiled, option C loosely attached to ribosome, option D segmented. The right answer is option A supercoiled.